Hello everyone, I'm happy to be here with you from Dubai. So today I would like to talk about ECB, European Central Bank decision, interest rate decision. It was today. They increased rates by 50 basis points by 0.5%. So expectations for 0.22. So how can that affect markets? Eventually, stock markets should decline and yields of bonds should increase. Borrowing costs for retail should increase as well. So why are they doing that? They're trying to fight the soaring inflation. They didn't increase rates for 10 years and bond yields were nominally negative. That's crazy. So you were holding bonds and paying for that, taking the risk and paying for that. Can you imagine? So now let's see German 10-year bond yield. And immediately after the decision, yield increased, right? You see here that it increased 1650, the rate was that time. But then eventually it got back. So market already was pricing that in. And if we look at yield rates over different period in time for 1 year, we see that yield increased almost to 2% in June, but now it's 1.2, right? So the yields were decreasing over last month. Despite that the ECB rate increased rates, and it might increase rates even more. So we can say that that might cause yields to increase again and more. We should keep in mind that ECB balance sheet is 8.8, staggering 8.8 trillion euros standing on that cash. So ECB also will address that issue and either stop buying bonds, either start decreasing this balance sheet by selling, and that might have another pressure on stock markets and pressure on bond markets as well. And we can take a look at Eurostoxx 50 major European companies index. So it declined 20% during the year 2022. And now after the interest rate decision, we see that there is no significant decline. Market is reacting neutrally. The same we can say about US markets. So eventually, immediately after the decision, prices went up. So this is the Dow Jones index, right? And however, after some time, prices went down. So no major impact. I see no major impact right now. So talking about Bitcoin price as well, it increased after the rate decision. And in general, Bitcoin price, we saw some slight rally from 18,000 until 24,000. So a nice rally. So here we can see some channel of increase, but we should keep in mind that we are still in bear market. We are awaiting US interest rate decision as well next week on 27th of July. Let's see that here. So you can see that Fed interest rate decision, and we are the forecast is 2.5. So they might increase by 0.75 or by 1%, and that might impact markets negatively as well. However, something is already priced in the market. So let's wait for earnings. Let's wait for US earnings of US companies, and let's wait for the decision. And let's keep in mind that still we are in bear market, and let's follow the markets. Follow me, and thank you so much for watching.